you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup. He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
Take a break and it's walking in. But it's running like this. They never back to the